Part number 2 for this Human Touch massage chair. Upon further review, I still couldn't get the remote open. I took out the middle screw, and I found there was 3 other ones. One there. I was able to just stick my screwdriver in through the face covering there, and one here. They're all stars, and one in the middle up here. So you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding the massage remote down. So there you have it, guys. The Human Touch 125. So you got one up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a screw there. One in the middle. One to the left. And one to the right here. Now I can operate on this remote.